In this video I'm going to show you how to add automatically page numbers into Canva. So we have a document over here with different pages, as you can see, and we would like to automatically add page numbers to the page. So what we are going to do, we select the document, and after that we will go to text on the left side menu. There you will find dynamic text. This is a new feature on Canva. After that, select page numbers. And always make sure you select numbers only, and to select the pages you would like to add the page numbers to. So once you have selected those, then click on done and then apply properties to all pages. Once you have done this, the page numbers will appear on the page. As you can see, they are quite small, but you can easily change the format by clicking on the increase font size, or you can drag them larger in your design to make them more visible. And that is how you automatically add page numbers in Canva. Thank you for watching.